set up a COVID assay evaluation lab, hopefully to use on field, because if, for example, you go to an area and you don't have the necessary BSL-3, for example, then it will be very useful that you use some of these equipment. So please, you can come in and then. And this is such that it doesn't allow the virus to infect whoever is working on the sample, as well as get into the atmosphere.
So as part of the national plan is to be able to have a system that is mobile, so that when we get to a situation where we need to test at the borders, we need to test at remote areas, we need to have this same PCR system available to these people. So what we've done is that we have a portable PCR machine, which we have here. This was constructed in-house. We've designed it ourselves, but it's the same PCR principle that we are using in the reference laboratories. What is essential is that when the samples come, the samples have to be inactivated and the viral nucleic acid extracted. So we do that in this glove box so that there is no contamination of the environment. So the sample comes, it goes in, there are filters, inbuilt filters. There's a negative pressure system in this small box. And this box is very portable. You can carry it into a van and take it wherever you want to go. And then you do the extraction, and once the extraction is done, you bring your sample here, you add it to your reagent, it goes into this machine. And as you can see, this is a test result. And this machine is very simple. You don't even need a specialist scientist to operate, because once you put it in and the result is positive, it will tell you that it's positive, and it will be read positive. So even if the person is not well trained, he can see that it's positive. So this is how the system is designed.
We need to make sure that whatever information is on the samples actually correlates with what we have on the data sheet. So we have it's a room with a lot of ladies, well arranged, and they are always active and working. So we run 24/7. Yes.
We're not extinct yet.
Right. And then we have our DNA isolation lab, where we isolate the DNA. And Linda is from CSIR, so she together with another colleague of hers, they come in to help us. Usually we're using the manual extraction method, but thankfully, I think 2 weeks ago, we received this particular robot, and it is able to extract 48 samples within close to 17 minutes. Oh, wow. So it makes the work very, very robust. We are looking forward to getting more of these, because if we are receiving a lot of samples, then we need, of course, some of these robots to help us extract them as soon as possible. So we do the isolation in this particular lab, clearly demarcated areas, DNA, RNA, and this virus is an RNA virus, so we work on the designated tables. Yes, please. So once we are done...
So young lady, good luck.
We take it to another room. If you look in this direction, you'll see people sitting, well-dressed and working on samples. And this is where most of the action takes place. Unfortunately, it is a restricted lab. This is the negative pressure lab, a BSL-3, a biosafety level 3 laboratory. So in here, when we receive the sputum or the swabs, now we are working with sputum. They need to transfer it and then, importantly, inactivate the virus, because we don't work with live virus. We inactivate the sample, the virus in the sample, and then send it to our RNA isolation lab, and then it is ready to go into the PCR machine. Yes, please. Yes, please.
Welcome, Mr. President. So
let Michael take you through what we do.
Yeah, so this is the amplification room. We have light cyclers, 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, which does the test for us. So 24/7, these machines are always working. This is an example of a run. So the curve up shows that this is a positive for a sample. And once this is positive, we print the results, take it to the data room, validate, make sure that the patient name corresponds with the sample before we finally report it. So every day these machines are working. Yeah.
So right now we had been told in Accra that you're current.
We are
in terms
current.
of your analysis of the sample.
Yes, Mr. President. Since we got the robot, it's helped us to clear the sample to beef up. Yes.
So they come in, you get the samples today, you get the results today.
At least the next day, you are able to get the sample result. Yes. They come in the evening. Yes.
It's very encouraging to see that so many young scientists emerging and having the opportunity to put their knowledge to practical, concrete use. It's great. It's encouraging for our future. More of her.
Yeah, we
More
trained all
more
of them
her.
here.
You trained them all,
All
here.
of them here.
It's excellent. It's the
She was my
best.
student.
It's excellent
I'm a
news.
microbiologist.
Okay. That's excellent.
We are committed to doing the work and we'll still keep doing it. And so,
I think we
yeah.
need to give President an update as at this morning.
As at this
Let me give you
morning,
the-
we have, as at this morning, we've processed 49,921 samples, and there are 913 positives.
Altogether.
Altogether.
Collectively. This is the
Collectively.
beginning.
Yes.
This is the work you've
This is
done.
the work we have done.
That's the
Yes.
50,000.
Yes, exactly 50,000.
900.
Yes, 913.